Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the latest and upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here, I'll be sharing and providing all the information that you need to know, from product names, prices, SKU product features, and launch dates. Just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check with your CA and the website. So I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright guys, let us start first with the Spring-Summer 2025 Runway Collection continuation. First, we have the Speedy Cargo Vibe. The price of this one is 3,100 euro. Materials, leather, colors, vanilla. This is a long top handle design. Minimal LV logo with detachable bag strap, and it would come with bag tag as well. This collection would be launching February 28 this year. Then it would come in the noir or black colorway. So we have the Speedy Cargo Vibe. Same price, 3,100 euro. Materials in leather. It would also have the minimal Louis Vuitton logo design, as you can see here. I love that this is the trending design right now of bag, and it would come with a longer strap that you could wear as a shoulder bag. Then we have the On The Go size PM. Price of this one is 3,700 USD. Material is leather with the Boss monogram. Actually guys, I do love this leather material from LV. It would come with detachable bag strap, and it is still part of the Spring-Summer 2025 Runway Collection. So this is the size in comparison to the model. Then we have the Speedy Trunk size 20. So we have more photos. I would discuss this previously, but I would just like to reshare them to you. Price of this one is 3,100 euro or 3,800 USD. The material that I love, which is leather with the D-Boss monogram on the entirety of the bag. It would come with detachable bag strap. It would come with silver hardware as well. Then we have the side trunk size MM. Price of this one is 3,600 euro or 4,450 USD. Part of the Spring-Summer Runway Collection 2025. Materials leather with the D-Boss monogram. So this is the size in comparison to the model. It would come with top handle, long strap, and it would come with a chain strap as well. Next, we have the side trunk size PM. So this one price is 3,400 euro or 4,200 USD. The materials leather with the D-Boss monogram. The color, this one is biscuit. It would come with gold hardware. So this is the size comparison. It would come with detachable top handle and detachable leather crossbody strap. Next, we have on the collection, we have the Go 14 size MM. Price of this one is 5,200 euro or 6,900 USD. Material is leather with malletage quilting. So this is the interior guys, full leather. It would come with fully detachable top handle, and it would come with chain strap as well. It would come with gold hardware. Next on the Spring-Summer 2025 Runway Collection, we have the Keep It Bomb Bag. So previously I have discussed the monogram version. Now we have the the May Azure Canvas version. The price of this one is 1,700 euro or 1,860 USD. Material is the May Azure Canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with gold hardware. So this is a bomb bag or a belt bag style. Next on the collection, we have the slim trunk. So this was discussed previously, but now we have more photos. Price of this one is 5,200 euro or 6,400 USD. SKUs provided, material is leather in noir or black. It would come with the very beautiful rhinestone fringes, and it would come with detachable shoulder strap in silver hardware. Launching February 28. Then we have the petite mall. So this is the another version that was I shared last week. So the price of this one, guys, take note, 15,000 euro or 18,800 USD. SKs provided. This comes with the trio icon canvas design made to look like mini trunks. It would come with detachable shoulder strap and it would come with gold hardware. Next new design, we have the multi-pochette accessories. So the comeback of this bag, price of this one is 2,350 euro or 2,900 USD. Material is upfront leather and the color is blue wash. It would come with the medium pochette and it will come with large pochette. Actually, I am missing the coin pouch. Hopefully, they are going to bring back in the multi-pochette accessories. Then guys, look at this very beautiful Capucine size mini. Price is take to 24,000 euro. So we have two SKU here. One is in black and this one is in Bordeaux. Material is croc leather and as you can see, the top handle is encrusted with gems. It would come with detachable strap as well. This is the close-up. I love the LV flower icon motif. Then we have new collection, guys. So this would be coming soon. No launch date yet. No price at SKU. Just kindly stand by. So first we have the Petite Palais. Hopefully I am pronouncing that right. This is the monogram upfront collection. Color is broom. Material is upfront leather with detachable and adjustable leather strap with bag tag and padlock and key set. Then we have this very cute vanity chain pouch. This design, guys, I really do love, and the colorway of the upfront and broom. It really looks luxurious and this is perfect for neutral lovers everywhere. So this one comes with top handle, detachable and adjustable crossbody strap. It would come with padlock and key set and key clochette as well. Next on the collection, so we have the Never Full MM. How gorgeous, right? The colorway. And then, of course, it would the materials upfront leather with the colorway of broom. And then, of course, it would come with silver hardware. It would come with detachable leather pochette. It is not just shown on the photo. So once I have more photos on this upcoming collection prices SKU, guys, kindly stand by. You know, I am very vigilant with updates from the Louis Vuitton bags. And then we have the Carry All size PM. Still part of the monogram upfront collection. That will be launching soon, maybe March. Color is in blue. Then material is upfront leather with silver hardware. It would come with detachable leather bag tag and adjustable leather strap. Next, guys, so we have the return of the denim collection. First, we have the Speedy bandolier. Guys, for the launch date, price and SKU, once I have all the other information, I'll be creating a separate vlog. So first, we have the Speedy bandolier. Material is in denim. The colorway is in gray. It would come with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap as well. Next on the denim collection, we have the on-the-go size PM. So same material, which is denim with the monogram. It would come with cowhide leather trim. So this is the close-up. It would come with detachable denim bag tag as well. And of course, the strap is in cowhide leather trims with studs as well. It would come with gold hardware. Then next on the denim collection, we have the Horizon luggage. For the size, price, SKU, kindly do stand by. So it would come with the same colorway of the gray denim. It would come with cowhide leather trims as well. So this one, very beautiful. I love the colorway, very neutral. Actually, gray is one of my favorite colors aside from black and red, and of course metallics. Then we have the Live Pochette. So this one is like the re-edition of the 90s bag from Marc Jacobs. So as you can see here, the colorway of the denim is in pink.
denim monogram with cowhide leather trims. It would come with chain strap. It would come with detachable cowhide leather strap as well. Next on the collection, we have the Sunset Shoulder Bag. For the price is SKU, kindly stand by. So the leather top handle, one side is fully detachable. It would come with a koala nose closure, very 90s. Then of course, it would come with the denim monogram material. It would come with gold hardware as well. Next on the collection, we have, of course, the key pouch or key clay. So this one, I believe, would run out and would be sold out really, really quickly. So make sure you contact your CAs. Maybe you could already ask them if this is already pre-orderable, because this would be a good purchase. This one, the key pouch in the pink denim monogram. Love the colorway. It would come with cowhide leather trims and the shiny gold hardware. Then we have some SLGs on the collection. So the color of the SLGs that I currently have are in the gray colorway. Material is in denim monogram with cowhide leather trim. So we have first this very cute zip wallet. And then of course we have the long zip wallet over here in the denim monogram with gold hardware. Then of course we have, going back to the bags, we have the backpack in the pink colorway. So the material is in denim with monogram with cowhide leather trims with gold hardware. And they are reissuing the koala nose, so the closure. And again, it would come with cowhide leather trims for the backpack strap, and it would come with top handle. Next, guys, we also have accessories for the upcoming denim collection. So here we have the bandeau in pink. So we have the bucket hat in gray with Louis Vuitton logo in pink. We have square scarves over here, and then we have a bigger square scarf. I love the size. I think it would be perfect for fall winter. Then we have another bandeau.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!